In a world where data is king, the role of a data scientist has become more crucial than ever. Today, we explore the reasons why starting a career in data science is a promising opportunity. A data scientist is a professional who specializes in analyzing, processing, and modeling data to extract meaningful insights and information. Their role involves a combination of statistical knowledge, programming skills, and an understanding of complex algorithms. Essentially, they transform raw data into clear and useful information to support decision-making processes within a company or organization. The demand for data scientists is soaring, with a projected job growth of 36% by 2031. This rapid expansion, compared to other careers, highlights the critical need for skilled data scientists. The financial rewards are impressive. Data scientists in the U.S. can expect an average total pay of around $126,200 per year. Entry-level positions start near $100,000, while experienced professionals can earn upwards of $200,000 annually. Data scientists make significant contributions across various sectors. Their work in areas like healthcare and environmental solutions demonstrates the field's far-reaching impact.